certain things because I have got the exact description of the people that I want to work with. I have been kind of describing them as very proactive people and who are trendsetters. But there needs to be some explanation, right? So, how do I recognize when any of you come in front of me? So, Mm, kind of I have defined them right now. So people and two, three people, right? While describing you, my dream customer, actually I could see them, but I couldn't describe them. So let me describe them. Active people who 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 love problem solving. They solve many of the problems. In fact, when they see at the problem, intuitively the solution comes to their mind. So these is the these are the like myself. So I wanted people of my kind to be there. Then they enjoy doing things away from their routine. So many people have advised me not to attempt anything which is beyond my work, but I couldn't help myself. Okay, so that kind of people I need for as my dream customer. The third thing is they know themselves. Fourth thing is they have self confidence. Then they are very creative and look for different ways to do certain things. Then they express very positively. The weather is bad and this was the problem. This is never in their language. So no matter what, if they are focused means they are focused. Then they are constant, they are disciplined, they are introvert, but they listen to people. Now you will ask, so what is their problem? They seem to be very ideal kind of people. So what is their problem and what you are trying to solve about them? So here is the tip. All these people, when they face a when they feel stuck, that means it is a real problem because despite their own thing, their things, this flow in their life gets stuck. So they are stuck. And when they are stuck, actually, there is nobody who can motivate them. They have to motivate themselves and they need to know how, why. So, this is the course is all about. I'm looking for those people who know and who will be dedicated for going ahead in life and they are looking for new solutions, but they are stuck because something has stopped them and they need to come out of that because there are certain things in life when the problems go beyond one's capability. Sometimes it is a human mind, right? So when those things happen, these people get stuck. So I want to work with those people, and when they get stuck, I have seen so many times that these people, because they are very sensitive, they cannot extricate themselves out of those problems. So they need a community where they have this constant motivation to go ahead, and people have to be always thinking beyond their means, right? So many people will push you backward only when you try to dream. And these people are dreamers, and because they think beyond their means, so many people will not, hi Nilesh, so good to see you out here. So these people, like Nilesh is one. So these people will not stop, but when they everybody kind of pushes them into getting shrinked into their own world, actually these people become desperate and they look for a community, a hand-holding support, sometimes some friendly environment to get out of that kind of problem. So my course is for those people who get stuck, and it takes a little bit of discipline in the sense that they have to change some actions, some habit, some perception, some kind of attitude, and they have to shift focus from where they are stuck to a place where they can be creative once more. So that place, like say, I'll tell one example of one student of mine who actually was having problem to stick to her schedule, right? So at 9 in the morning, she had to report at her workplace, but she couldn't make it any day. Why, Because she had to prepare her breakfast. Can you believe that? So these are the kind of problem because she lived in a joint family and you cannot actually just shrug yourself off from that kind of responsibility. Making a breakfast and feed it to so many people who are already busy with their work is kind of something which one cannot actually let go like that and go. And it is a Indian family, and we have to respect our elders and their timing and their way of life in accommodating our own career also. So it was kind of a problem. So I told her where to let go and where to indulge in. So she actually saved some 15 hours, 15 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and she learned to delegate because she would have exchanged her daily routine life with somebody else. Like say the 30 minutes that she required in the morning, she would compensate in the evening itself, right? So it is a small thing, but these are the small things which actually kind of restricts these people, these highly creative people who are my dream customers to take off in life. And when it is a lady, it becomes doubly challenging. And the kind of problem I told you, this happens with lot of Indian women. I don't mean to say that it only happens to women and not to men. Men also have their problem. And it happens, no, when one very, very promising person actually can be restricted in his workplace and can be kind of blackmailed or subdued in his position, and that person needs some way out, venting out of his creativity, which is not happening at the workplace. He needs some way out, and that creativity where he can express himself, he requires this kind of support. It is not always possible to do it all by oneself. So he needs, and and it requires just a little bit of handholding, right? A little bit of handholding, and it requires that particular discipline which is all there in the mindset because of so many things. Because these people are going against the tide and they are doing something very extraordinary which is not apparent at the moment, but going forward it will create a lot of momentum and it will create a lot of what you can say a change. They are change makers, they are trendsetters, they are go-getters. And when people are like this, the society is hell-bent upon them not to allow them to achieve their goals. So these people require handholding and support, and that kind of environment, that constant mindset which kind of gets sometimes, no, they get bogged down, and that requires performance optimization course, and that requires practice. It has nothing else to do. It is just you need to put that practice into a daily ritual kind of thing. The moment you see something obstructing whatever you are doing, that is the moment when you have to remember something else and go forward. Like, see, your dream is your own dream, and that dream, anything comes to the mind as a dream, that is a possibility. One needs to work towards that. That is the secret of success. And when, when when one dreams and actually expresses in front of somebody, people tend to kind of dissuade him to go towards that because it requires hard work. And a person who is already working hard, it will be doubly harder for him to indulge in that. So, people in a friendly sense also try to dissuade him or her not to indulge in those kind of dream. He says already life is very good. Why to indulge in all those things extra? But you know, dream is a dream. Dream is something which drives people. And if that dream dies down within, inside, then this person actually dies himself. He doesn't have any cause, anything to live for. So a very highly productive life goes waste. He or she goes into a routine work. They earn some in a job. They might earn some salary. They may go very high, but they are not fulfilled. So for those people, this course is there. And I'm so happy that I have discovered these kind of description for my dream customers, both men and women. I know I can recognize them, but I was not able to describe them. Today I could, and I am so happy for that. And okay, so I'll start looking for them, and yeah, see you. Thank you.